हेलो स्टूडेंट्स आम 12th क्लास बा सेकेंड ईयर मैथ स्टार्ट करिया ए क्लास मैथमेटिक्स क्लास स्टार्ट करने पूर्व किसी फंडामेंटल थिंग्स जानवा दरकार जोटा हमर सेकेंड ईयर आवश्यक अछि तो बेसिक्स जानला परे आमे चैप्टर को एंट्री करिया तमे 11th क्लास रे पढिथिबो सेट्स एंड डिफरेंट एप्लीकेशंस ऑफ सेट्स आमे सेटू स्टार्ट करिया फर्स्ट थिंग if A set equal to A B C, B set equal to C D, what is A union B? A B C D. Second thing, what is A intersection B? That is C. What is A difference B? A difference B is A and B. Three things are starting things, basic things. Union means we are associating. We are taking common, and this is different, or we are rejecting. So A difference B means we are rejecting elements of B from set A. And number 4, complementation. A dash or A complement, this is equal to universal set reject A, where U stands for universal set. So first thing, what is universal set? Universal set is collection of all elements and all sets of a particular type. What does it mean? जदि आमे मनीष गोरु गाई छेली कुकुर ये सब कथा डिस्कशन करिबा एनिमल किंगडम होची यूनिवर्सल सेट जते बेले छोट गछ बड़ गछ नडिया गछ कदली गछ जहा कथा गछ कथा में कंसीडर करछु माने सेठी होची प्लांट किंगडम यूनिवर्सल सेट सो यूनिवर्सल सेट रो मीनिंग डिफरेंट इन डिफरेंट केसेस जतले हमें नंबर्स विषय डिस्कशन करू नेचुरल नंबर हो इंटीजर हो फ्रैक्शंस हो किसी भी नंबर्स कथा डिस्कशन करू इन दैट केस यूनिवर्सल सेट होची रियल नंबर्स द सेट ऑफ रियल नंबर्स इज द यूनिवर्सल सेट when we consider about different types of numbers. So universal set meaning is different in different aspects. So universal set Venn diagram is like this is your universal set, this is your A set, and these are your A dash. सेट कॉन्सेप्ट रु आमे कॉन्सेप्ट किसी डिराइव करिबा मोर मतलब अछि इंटरवल्स रे I am interested in intervals. Interval is nothing that is the application of set or that is advanced version of sets. What is general method of representing a set? Set is always enclosed by curly bracket and elements are separated by comma. So enclosure is curly bracket and elementary separator is comma, but it is different in case of interval. First thing, close interval. If 2 less than equal to x, less than equal to 6, how many numbers are there between 2 and 6? Uncountable. There are infinite numbers, so many numbers, and including 2, equal 2 अच्छी, equal 6 अच्छी माने including 2 and including 6. So there are infinite numbers including 2 and 6. So how can we represent them? We cannot represent them in general set format or ordinary set format. We cannot represent them. So how can we represent them? In intervals. Then x belongs to 2 to 6, close interval. Square bracket is the symbol for close interval. So I have written two elements, 2 and 6, but there are infinite numbers. There are infinite numbers between 2 and 6, including 2 and 6. Here, 2 and 6 are called as boundary elements. So what is the number line expression? There are two methods. Both methods are important. First thing is, this is 2, this is 6. All elements between 2 and 6 are included along with these elements. So borders along with intermediate elements. This is another format. Here is a 2, here is a 6. So we can express in this format also. देखो ये 2 अच्छी, 6 अच्छी, 2 और 6 भीतर समस्त include. So there are two methods, this method or this method. These are called as number line expression. What is a number line? X-axis is called as a number line. So these are expressed in x-axis. So 2 to 6, this is also 2 to 6, including 2, including 6. यहाँ को हमें कंपेयर करिबा नेक्स्ट थिंग ओपन इंटरवल से if 2 less than x less than 6, here x is greater than 2 and less than 6. So boundary elements are not included. Boundary elements are not included, but there are so many elements between 2 and 6. So how can you express them? Then x belongs to parenthesis 2, parenthesis 6. Open interval symbol is the parenthesis. Closed interval symbol is the square bracket. So what is the number line expression? Here is 2, here is 6. We are including 2 to 6 all elements, but borders are not included. Compare these two things. Here this is darkened 2, darkened 6. That means 2 and 6 are included. Here hollow 6, hollow 2, hollow 6. That means 2 and 6 are excluded, but all other elements are here present in this interval. Another way, if this is 2 and this is 6, we should skip 2, just skip 2, just skip 6. This is number line expression. There are two methods, darkening method and bordering method. So this is darkened 2, darkened 6 means both 2 and 6 are included with in between things, and here 2 and 6 are excluded. So these are hollow circle, and other elements are here. And compare between these. Here 2 is included, so bar is on 2 and on 6. And here 2 and 6 are not included, so we have skipped 2 from left side and skipped 6 from right side. Next thing, semi-close or semi-open interval. If 2 less than equal to x less than 6, then x belongs to square bracket 2 parenthesis. That means 2 is included and 6 is not included. Number line expression, include 2 only and include other elements between 2 and 6. We have not included 6 here. Another process, 2, 6, we have included 2 but excluded 6. So there are two types of intervals, closed interval and open interval. Closed interval is represented by square bracket, open interval is represented by parenthesis. Let us solve some questions. Very important thing, in interval the set of real numbers is considered as universal set. The set of real numbers is considered as universal set. So what is a real number? Minus infinite to plus infinite. So real number equal to open minus infinite to plus infinite. Example, close interval 2 to 6. Reject 6. What will the answer? This is a number line expression. This is 2, this is 6. We have taken from 2 to 6 all the numbers, rejecting only one element. Here there are infinite of number of elements. Here there is only one element. So what will the answer? Here we have 2 to 6 upon it. That means final answer is like this. Two to 6 all elements are there except the border. Close interval 2 to 6. Reject 2. How many numbers are there? This is also a set, this is also a set. This set has infinite number of elements and this set has only 2 elements. So how to answer this question? Close interval 2 to 6. Here 2 included, 6 included. We have to reject 2 and 6. Particular these 2 elements should be rejected. After rejecting 2 and 6, how many numbers are there? There are also infinite number of numbers between 2 and 6. How to express them? This is equal to 2 to 6 upon interval. So final answer is like this. We have to skip 2 and skip 6 in this method. Next example. Close interval 2 to 6. Reject 4, 6. First we have to draw the number line. The numbers in this question particularly present should be mentioned and no other elements or numbers should be mentioned. We have to mention only 2, 6 and 4 in correct order. 2, then 4, then 6. So our interval is from 2 to 6. We have to reject 4 and 6. So what is remaining in this interval 2 to 6? Our original interval, our interval is 2 to 6. एथरे हमें पर्टिकुलर 4 आउ 6 को रिजेक्ट कलु तो बाकी कौन रहिला एठी. सो दिस गैप इज प्रेजेंट एंड दिस गैप इज प्रेजेंट. ये दुटा गैप ही अछि. व्हाट इज दिस गैप फ्रॉम 2 टू 4? 2 इज प्रेजेंट, so close interval. 4 is not present, open interval. Union 4 to 6. 4 is not present, open interval. 6 is not present, open interval. Very important and fundamental question. Another example. Close interval 2 to 6. Reject 0, 1, 2, 3, 10. How many elements are there in this set? This is also a set. There are infinite number of elements. And how many elements are present in this set? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exactly 5 elements are there. So curly bracket represents there are only 5 elements. This is tabular method, this is interval method. Interval method represents to represent infinite number of numbers between 2 and 6. Here exactly 5 elements are there. So we have to reject. Difference means rejection. We have to reject exactly 5 elements from these infinite number of elements. So what numbers should be represented in number line? Exactly the numbers present in this question, not other elements required. Exactly the numbers which are present in this question should be mentioned in a number line. So your number line is like this and should be arranged in increasing order, not disorder way. So what is the smallest number here is 0, next 1, next 2, next 3, next 6 and 10. What is my interval? Close 2 to 6. So this is close to close. I have to reject 0, 1, 2, 3 and 10. So our original set was this much. What is remaining in 2 to 6? A close interval 2 to 6 रे कौन रहिला? ए 2 to 6 रे कौन रही? 2 rejected, 3 rejected, and what are the numbers remaining here? This gap and this gap. First gap is 2 to 3, second gap 3 to 6. So first gap is from 2 to 3. 2 is not present, open interval. 3 is also not present, open interval. Union 3 to 6. Open interval 3, close interval 6. This is your answer. Another example. Close interval -5 to 10, reject -7, -4, -3, 0, 1, 2, 10, 11. So there are infinite number of numbers. Here exactly 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 numbers. Curly bracket represents exact how many elements are there. And this interval symbol represents there are infinite number of elements. So what are the remaining elements in this set? Expressed in number line. Only the numbers which are mentioned in the question. What is the smallest number? -7. Next, -5. Next, -4, -3, 0, 1, 2, 10 and 11. My interval is from -5 to 10. Close -5, close 10. This is my interval. I have to reject particularly these elements. -7 rejected, -4 rejected, -3, 0, 1, 2, 10 and 11. So what is remaining in my set -5 to 10? What are remaining? There are so many gaps. This gap, second, third, fourth, fifth and sixth. There are 6 gaps, means 6 intervals are there. So first interval is -5. -5 is present still now. -4 is not present. Open interval. Union -4 to -3. -4 open, -3 open. Union -3 to 0. -3 open, 0 open. Union 0, 1. Next 1 to 2. Union 2 to 10. Open 2, open 10. This is your answer. -7 and 11 are not affecting my question because they are out of the interval. -5 to 10, they are out of the interval, so they are not affecting my question. So these are the questions where we have rejected particular elements. I have rejected here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 elements. Here I have rejected 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 elements. Next thing, we have to reject intervals. Example, 2 to 6, reject, close, 5 to 10. Here, there are infinite number of elements. Here, there are also infinite number of elements. Every time draw number line. Don't get confused. Every time draw number line. But the smallest number here, 2, next 5, next 6, next 10. Don't write any other numbers other than the numbers given in the question. एठी हमें 3, 4 लिखा किसी आवश्यकता नहीं, 7, 8, 9 लिखा किसी आवश्यकता नहीं, बिकॉज क्वेश्चन जो जो नंबर मेंशन अच्छी केवल सही नंबर मान को ही लिखिक हमें इंटरवल क्वेश्चन करें. फर्स्ट इंटरवल इज फ्रॉम 2 to 6, क्लोज 2, क्लोज 6. We have to reject 5 to 10, close 5, close 10. So reject अब इस सेट minus 5 to 10 rejected. So what is remaining in 2 to 6? This gap is remaining 2 to 5. 2 is present here, 5 is rejected, so open interval should be given here. Next example, close interval 2 to 6, reject, open interval 5 to 10. Again similar types of question. 2, 5, 6, 10. First set is 2 to 6, close 2, close 6. 5 to 10, open 5 means ठीक है स्किप करी गले में 5, 10 इंक्लूडेड, ओपन 5 पर हम जाइछु बट 10 को इंक्लूड कर. सो दिस शुड बी रिजेक्टेड, रिजेक्ट दिस. व्हाट इज रिमेनिंग हियर? दिस गैप 2 to 5, 2 is present here, 5 is also present here. Here 5 is not rejected because 5 was not present in this interval, so 5 is not rejected. So our answer is 2 to 5. Next example, close interval 3 to 10, reject, close interval minus 5 to 4. All are similar questions. Don't guess anything. Starting रू किसी guess कले असुविधा पड़े. Interval question solve करिवार general method हैला number line expression. तो मैं जहाँ देखिबो क्या लिखिबो. Like class 2 questions. See the picture, give the answer like that. I have seen that picture and written the answer. So see the picture, give the answer. Like class 2 question, class 1 question. Like very simple. But don't guess it in mind. Draw number line. So in each and every case we have to draw number line expression. What is the smallest number here? Minus 5. Next 3. Next 4. Next 10. So first interval is 3 to 10. Close, close. So include 3, include 10. Second interval minus 5 to 4, close minus 5, 4 open, just leave 4. I have left 4 here. So after rejecting, reject हबो किए ना minus 5 रू 4 reject हबो, minus 5 रू 4 को हमें reject करें. What is remaining here? 4 to 10. 4 is present here, close interval. 10 is also present here, close interval. So there are so many examples regarding these ordinary types of set operations. Difference of particular elements and difference of interval from interval. Next thing, if x greater than equal to 5, if x greater than equal to 5, what will be x? Real number is minus infinite to plus infinite. Here particular element is 5. X is greater than or equal to 5. That means we have to include 5 and go to right. Greater than equal to 5. Then x belongs to close interval 5 open interval infinite. In each case of infinite, we have to write that may be minus infinite or plus infinite, we have to give open interval symbol. Next example, if x greater than 5, greater than 5 means we have to skip 5 and go in right direction. These numbers are greater than 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, whatever may be there, they are always greater than 5. So what is their number line expression? Open interval 5 to infinite. Parenthesis means open interval, square bracket means close interval. Next example, if x is less than equal to 5, draw number line, it is 5, less than or equal to 5, 5 के बाद 5 रु कम ही थी को पटेटा लेफ्ट साइड 5 or less than 5, then x belongs to minus infinite to 5, minus infinite रे open interval 5 present 5 close. Fourth case, if x less than 5, less than 5 रे number line expression केमती हेबो? Less than 5 means 5 ରୁ कम, skip 5 and go left direction, then x belongs to minus infinite to 5. So these are 4 types of inequalities. Basic inequalities are 4 types. Single element inequalities, single element, greater than equal to 5, greater than 5, less than equal to 5, less than 5. There are 4 types of single element inequalities. Next thing, modulus concept in interval. Modulus concept in interval. First thing, if x mod less than equal to 5, guess the numbers. एमती को संख्या जार एब्सोल्यूट वैल्यू 5 के बाद 5 रु कम होती है. Draw number line. This is minus infinite, this is plus infinite. Here is minus 5, here is plus 5. The numbers जो मानकर मॉडुलस by absolute value 5 किबा 5 रु कम होती है से नंबर blindly imagine here is 6 7 8 एमान को अलाउ करि परिबा कि नेवर एपटे -6 -7 एमान कर एब्सोल्यूट वैल्यू केते 6 7 हलनी नॉट लेस देन 5 तो एपटे पार्ट मध्य कोन रिजेक्ट तन ये भितरे के अछंती -4 -3 0 1 2 एमान को अलाउ करा जेबो कि ना यस सो प्रैक्टिकली को नंबर को हमें अलाउ कलु ना -5 रु 5 भितरे जतके नंबर अछंती से मानकर एब्सोल्यूट वैल्यू the absolute value of these numbers are always less than or equal to 5 beyond 5 toward right side and beyond -5 in the left side these numbers have absolute value is more than 5 तने 5 रो राइट को जिबा बा -5 रो लेफ्ट को जिबा that means 5 रो बेसी बा -5 रो जो माने कम अछंती एमाने कर एब्सोल्यूट वैल्यू 5 रो बेसी अछि तो को नंबर मान को हमें अलाउ करिबा सो which numbers are allowed -5 ru 5 भितर जो numbers अछंती these are the numbers then x belongs to closed interval -5 to 5 number 2 if x mod less than 5 these are the numbers 5 रु कम हेतिबो -5 रु बेसी so then x belongs to open -5 to 5 number 3 if x mod greater than equal to 5 -5 plus 5 को नंबर मानकर एब्सोल्यूट वैल्यू 5 के बा 5 रु बेसी ही ता माने 5 6 7 8 एमान को अलाउ करि परिबा -5 -6 एपट को अलाउ करि परिबा सो दीज आर द नंबर देन x belongs to -infinity to -5 close allowed union close 5 to 8 finally if x mod greater than 5 -5 plus 5 greater than 5 means not equal to 5 so skip 5 5 को हम skip करके राइट को जीवा -5 को skip करके लेफ्ट को जीवा तो माने 6 7 8 एमान करे एब्सोल्यूट वैल्यू ग्रेटर देन 5 -6 -7 -8 एमान करे एब्सोल्यूट वैल्यू ग्रेटर देन 5 एब्सोल्यूट वैल्यू मींस mod then x belongs to this part -infinity to -5 open union open 5 to infinity. These are 4 cases of interval. These are single element inequality. This is absolute value. तो बर्तन सुधा में जहाँ पढ़ेलु बेसिक्स एबे हमें किसी एप्लीकेशन पार्ट को जीवा फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन फाइंड x in interval form if x minus 2 mod less than equal to 7 absolute value of x minus 2 less than equal to 7 very simple less than equal to 7 means whatever may be in between the absolute symbol it should lie between -7 and +7. So -7 is less than equal to x minus 2 less than equal to 7. This is basic concept, because absolute value is less than equal to 7. So adding to -7 plus 2 less than equal to x less than equal to 7 plus 2. That simply is -5 less than equal to x less than equal to 9. So x belongs to closed interval -5 to 9. Second example. Find x if 2 minus x more less than equal to 7. Similar question. Only one difference. If x minus 2 लिखाई थी, if 2 minus x लिखाई. So what should be the solution? तो गोटे एग्जांपल कहूँ 9 minus 3 रो एब्सोल्यूट वैल्यू केते और 3 minus 9 रो एब्सोल्यूट वैल्यू केते 9 minus 3 एब्सोल्यूट वैल्यू इज 6 more, that is 6. 3 minus 9 minus 6 absolute value is 6. So what is the conclusion here? 9 minus 3 more equal to 3 minus 9. So indirectly I have asked you the same question, because given 2 minus x mod less than equal to 7. What is 2 minus x mod? X minus 2 mod. So this is same question as I given. Answer is same. So x minus 2 mod question jaha 2 minus x mod question, because a minus b mod equal to b minus a. Example. जदि आमे 2 minus x mod की करि थांतु ताले कोन हेइ थांता. हम x minus 2 करि कलु बोली क्विकली आंसर बाहरला. जदि आमे 2 minus x mod की करथांतु कोन हेइ थांता देख. जदि हम एटा कन्वर्ट न करिवु ताले कोन हो. ता पूर्व में आउट कथा जानिबा. फॉर लेस देन 5 जदि -1 मल्टीप्लाई कर देबी ताले लेस ता कोन हे जिवो, ग्रेटर देन हे जिवो. ई कांसेप्ट है. 2 minus x mod less than equal to 7. जण बाय चांस x minus 2 mod करी नहीं, ई डायरेक्ट ए प्रोसेस में जाउ. तर कोन समस्या? बेसिक कांसेप्ट -2 प्लस भितर ही आसीबो. -7 then equal to 2 minus x less than equal to 7. So subtracting 2 on of -7 minus 2 less than equal to minus x less than equal to 7 minus 2. So -9 less than equal to minus x less than equal to 5. There is minus 1, minus means -1 multiplied with x. So जदि एटी 4 5 थिला नेगेटिव -1 मल्टीप्लाई कले लेस ता ग्रेटर हे गेला. हम एटी सबुथरे -1 मल्टीप्लाई करिबा. -1 मल्टीप्लाई कले कोन हबो? This will be 9, this will be x and this will be -5. A less than equal to will be converted to greater than equal to, this will be converted to greater than equal to. So the inequalities will change here. -5 less than equal to x less than equal to 9. Answer. So x belongs to closed interval -5 to 9. Answer is same. एक गुटे स्टेप हमको एक्स्ट्रा करिया को पड़ला. रीजन कौन ना एठी -x थिला. माइनस एक्स को प्लस एक्स आने हमको ग्रेटर देन को लेस देन को ग्रेटर देन कन्वर्ट करने को पड़े। Otherwise, questions are same. X minus 2 mod equal to 2 minus x mod. That way, answer will be same. Minus 5 to 9. Here also minus 5 to 9. Next example. Find x interval for 3x minus 2 mod less than equal to or less than 7. Less than 7 means it is always less than 7. Equal to 7 not allowed. 7 is not allowed in the number line. That means minus 7 is less than 3x minus 2 less than 7. Adding to minus 7 plus 2 less than 3x less than 7 plus 2. So minus 7 plus 2 is minus 5 less than 3x less than 9. So dividing by 3, minus 5 by 3 less than x less than 3. So x belongs to upon minus 5 by 3 to जदि एठी इक्वल चिन्ह था, if equal symbol is here, then एठी मध्य हमको कंटिन्यूअसली फर्स्ट टू लास्ट पर्यंत सब इक्वल टू सिंबल देवाक पड़ता है। खाली लेस अच्छे माने लेस 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 चला सब लेस देन इक्वल थे सब लेस देन इक्वल होता है। क्लोज इंटरवल होता है लाइक दैट क्वेश्चन। जदि लेस देन इक्वल टू अच्छी लेस देन इक्वल कंटिन्यू चली। जदि खाली लेस अच्छी तले लेस देन चली। वेरी सिंपल। दिस इज बेसिक डिफरेंस बिटवीन दिस टू क्वेश्चन। इट लेस देन इक्वल टू अच्छी बोली लेस देन इक्वल टू चलला, इट ओनली लेस अच्छी माने लेस चली। Now original problem starts now. Find an interval for if x minus 2 mod यार आंसर में कौन करिबा। This is minus 7, this is plus 7. So, जो number of absolute value greater than equal to 7, the number will be more 7 or more than 7, minus 7 or less than minus 7. So, here there are two cases, this case and that case. Hence, 3x minus 2 is less than equal to minus 7, or another part 3x minus 2 greater than equal to 7. There are two cases. Bracket absolute value bhitar ki achi 3x minus 2. So 3x minus 2 will be less than equal to minus 7 and greater than equal to 7. So that implies 3x less than equal to minus 5. Both sides में plus 2. So x less than equal to minus 5 by 2. That implies 3x greater than equal to 9, x greater than equal to 2. So that implies less than equal to minus 5 by 3 means less than equal to minus 5 by 3. Minus infinity to minus 5 by 3 close, or greater than equal to 3 or greater, union close 3 to हमको क्वेश्चन पचार एक्स वैल्यू केते हेबो किंतु एटी एब्सोल्यूट भितरे कहा वैल्यू अछि 3x - 2 अछि। हमको दरकार एक्चुअली x वैल्यू कहते हैं। अगर 3x - 2 ग्रेटर देन इक्वल 7 मींस 3x - 2 वैल्यू एब्सोल्यूट वैल्यू ग्रेटर देन 7 मींस 3x - 2 रे वैल्यू -7 रु कम हेतिबो 7 रु बेसी हेतिबो। एटा पार्ट करके हम कलु एठी पाइलु x लेस देन इक्वल -5/3 लेस देन इक्वल -5/3 -5/3 और लेफ्ट Greater than equal to 3 means 3 or right parts. Less than means minus 5 by 3 or left part, 3 or right part. Done. Last question for today. Find x in interval form if 7 minus 2x more greater than 3. क्वेश्चन को टिके मॉडिफाई करि परिबा a minus b mod equal to b minus a mod previously I have said that तो 7 minus 2x mod को हमें 2x minus 7 mod greater than 3 कहि परिबा ताले greater than 3 कोन अछि ता भीतर बुझिया दरकार नहीं greater than 3 means minus 3 रु कम हितबो निश्चय minus 3 को छाडी की लेफ्ट को थिबो आउ 3 रु राइट को एटा होचे हमर देन ग्रेटर देन 3 मींस 3 को स्किप करके राइट को जीबा आउ -3 को स्किप करके लेफ्ट को जीबा सो दैट्स इंप्लाइज 2x minus 7 less than equal to -3 तो कम हिथिबे और another part is 2x minus 7 greater than 3 एठी greater अछि बोली greater less sorry only less only greater equal चिन्ह not allowed equal symbol is not allowed so that implies 2x less than 4 so x less than 2 x less than 2 means number line draw kar here is 2 minus infinite plus infinite less than 2 skip 2 to left side so x belongs to minus infinite to 2 upon or 2x greater than 10 or x greater than 5 or x belongs to greater than 5 skip 5 go right side open 5 to infinite or stands for union so x belongs to minus infinite to 2 union open 5 to infinite the final answer. So there are 4 types of intervals less than equal to less than greater than equal to greater than. Thank you.